Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Iman, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Today, we have a very practical episode.
Yes, today we are talking about daily life.
The topic is English in daily life. Talk about your day.
This is very important for beginners.
Exactly. When someone asks you, "How was your day?" you need to answer.
Yes, that is a very common question.
So today, we will talk about our day from morning to night.
And you can listen and repeat with us.
Yes, you can practice speaking while listening.
And before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to English with Iman if you want more daily life English.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Okay, Inaya, how do you feel today?
I feel good today. I feel relaxed.
That's nice. Why do you feel relaxed?
Because I slept well last night.
Good sleep is very important.
Yes, it is. What about you?
I feel a little tired.
Oh no, why?
I woke up early today.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, for me it is early.
Are you a morning person?
Not really.
Me too.
So let's start with morning routine.
Yes, morning routine means the things you do in the morning.
Exactly. Morning routine is your daily morning activities.
So, what is the first thing you do when you wake up?
First, my alarm clock rings.
Yes, the alarm clock.
The alarm clock wakes me up.
Wake up means open your eyes and stop sleeping.
Yes, and get up means leave the bed.
That's true. Wake up and get up are a little different.
Exactly. Sometimes I wake up, but I don't get up.
Yes, you stay in bed.
Yes, I stay in bed for 5 more minutes.
Do you press snooze?
Sometimes. Snooze means you stop the alarm for a few minutes.
Yes, and then the alarm rings again.
Exactly.
My alarm is very loud.
Mine too. I need a loud alarm.
If my alarm is soft, I don't wake up.
Same here.
So after you get up, what do you do?
I go to the bathroom.
Yes, that's common.
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth is a daily action.
Yes, I brush my teeth every morning.
Me too.
After that, I take a shower.
Do you take a shower every morning?
Yes, I do.
I sometimes take a shower at night.
Really?
Yes, especially in winter.
Interesting.
But in summer, I take a shower in the morning.
That makes sense.
After the shower, I get dressed.
Get dressed means put on clothes.
Yes, put on clothes is another way to say it.
I usually wear comfortable clothes.
Do you prepare your clothes the night before?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
If I prepare my clothes at night, my morning is easier.
That's true.
So after you get dressed, what's next?
Breakfast.
Breakfast is my favorite meal.
Really?
Yes, I love breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
That sounds good.
Sometimes I eat cereal.
Cereal with milk?
Yes, cereal with milk.
I usually eat toast and cheese.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
I drink tea.
Tea or coffee, both are popular morning drinks.
Yes, coffee helps you feel awake.
Wake up means stop sleeping.
Yes, and feel awake means feel active.
After breakfast, I prepare my bag.
Prepare your bag means put your things inside.
Yes, I put my phone, my wallet, my keys.
Keys are very important.
Oh yes, if I forget my keys, it's a problem.
Yes.
So after that, I leave the house.
Leave the house means go out.
Yes, I leave the house around 7:30.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
By bus means you take the bus.
Exactly. Sometimes I say I take the bus.
I drive my car to work.
Do you like driving?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why sometimes no?
Because of traffic.
Oh yes, traffic is when there are many cars on the road.
Yes, and cars move slowly.
Traffic makes me tired.
That's true.
How long does it take you to go to work?
It takes about 30 minutes.
That's not too bad. What about you? It takes about 40 minutes by bus.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music.
That's nice.
Sometimes I listen to English podcasts.
That's good practice.
Yes, listening every day is important.
Do you look at your phone?
Sometimes I check messages.
Travel time can be useful.
Yes, you can learn during travel time.
So, when you arrive at work, what do you do first?
I sit down and turn on my computer.
Turn on means start the computer.
Yes, and then I check my emails.
Emails are messages for work.
Exactly.
I also check my emails in the morning.
After checking emails, I start working.
What kind of work do you do?
I write, I read, and I have meetings.
Meetings are when people talk about work together.
Yes, we discuss ideas.
Discuss means talk about something.
Exactly.
My workday is sometimes busy.
Busy means you have many things to do.
Yes, many tasks.
Task means small job or activity.
I like to make a to-do list.
A to-do list is a list of tasks.
Yes, I write everything I need to do.
That helps you stay organized.
Organized means everything is in order.
That's right.
Do you feel stressed at work?
Sometimes, yes.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I take a short break.
Break means a short rest.
Yes, maybe 5 minutes.
I drink water and walk a little.
That's good.
Moving your body helps.
Yes, sitting all day is not good.
Do you talk to your coworkers?
Yes, I talk to them every day.
Coworkers are people you work with.
Exactly.
Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, they are friendly.
Friendly people make work easier.
That's true.
What time do you have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 1 p.m.
Me too.
Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day.
Yes, after morning and before evening.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Sometimes I bring food from home.
Bring food from home means you cook at home and take it with you.
Yes.
And sometimes?
Sometimes I buy food near my office.
Do you eat with coworkers?
Yes, we eat together.
Eating together is nice.
Yes, we talk and laugh.
Lunchtime is relaxing.
After lunch, I feel sleepy.
Sleepy means you want to sleep.
Yes, especially in the afternoon.
Afternoon is after lunch and before evening.
Around 3 p.m., I feel tired.
Me too.
Sometimes I drink coffee in the afternoon.
I try not to drink coffee late
Why?
because I can't sleep at night.
Ah, that makes sense.
So in the afternoon, I do simple tasks.
Simple tasks are easier work.
Yes, I don't do difficult work when I feel tired.
That's smart. What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Finish means stop working.
Yes, when the workday is over.
And then you go home.
Yes, I go home and relax a little.
So now we are moving to evening routine.
Yes, evening routine is my favorite part of the day
Really? Why?
because I feel free in the evening.
Ah, free means no more work.
Exactly. No more emails, no more meetings.
That sounds nice.
So, when I arrive home, first I change my clothes.
Change my clothes means take off work clothes and put on comfortable clothes.
Yes, I put on comfortable clothes right away.
Me too. That is the best feeling.
Yes, comfortable clothes make me feel relaxed.
Relaxed means calm and not stressed.
Exactly.
After I change my clothes, I wash my hands.
That's important.
Yes, especially after being outside all day.
What do you do after that?
I usually sit down for a few minutes.
Just sit and rest.
Yes, just sit on the sofa and rest.
Rest means relax and do nothing for a short time.
Exactly.
Sometimes I check my phone when I sit down.
Me too.
I check messages and social media.
I try not to spend too much time on my phone.
That is difficult.
Yes, very difficult.
After resting, do you cook dinner?
Yes, I usually cook dinner around 6:30 or 7 p.m.
What do you like to cook?
I like simple food. Rice, vegetables, chicken, or pasta.
That sounds good.
Cooking at home is healthier.
Yes, and sometimes cheaper.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I order food.
Order food means you buy food from a restaurant.
Yes, and they bring it to your house.
That is very convenient.
Convenient means easy and helpful.
Exactly.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
Around 7:30 p.m.
I eat around 7 p.m.
Do you eat alone or with family?
I eat with my family.
That's nice.
We sit together and talk about our day.
Talking about your day is good speaking practice.
Yes. You can say, today I worked a lot.
Or, today I had a busy day.
Busy day means you had many things to do.
Exactly.
After dinner, I washed the dishes.
Wash the dishes means clean the plates and cups.
Yes, I don't always enjoy it,
Me neither.
but it feels good when the kitchen is clean.
That's true.
What do you do after dinner?
I like to relax.
How do you relax?
Sometimes I watch TV.
What kind of shows do you watch?
Simple shows, nothing too serious.
I like watching short videos.
In English?
Yes, sometimes in English.
That is very good practice.
Yes, I listen carefully and learn new words.
Listening every day helps a lot.
Even 10 or 15 minutes is good.
Exactly. Small practice every day is powerful.
Sometimes I read a book.
Reading before bed is relaxing.
Yes, I read simple stories.
Simple English books are great for beginners.
You can learn new words in context.
Context means inside a sentence or story.
Yes, not just single words.
Do you exercise in the evening?
Sometimes I go for a short walk.
Walking is good exercise.
Yes, especially after dinner.
I sometimes stretch at home.
Stretch means move your body slowly to relax your muscles.
Exactly.
After relaxing, what time do you start preparing for bed?
Around 10 p.m.?
Prepare for bed means get ready to sleep.
Yes. First, I brush my teeth.
Me too.
Then I wash my face.
I also change into pajamas.
Pajamas are clothes you wear to sleep.
Yes, comfortable sleeping clothes.
Do you set your alarm at night?
Yes, I set my alarm for the next morning.
Set the alarm means choose the time to wake up.
Exactly.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30 or 11 p.m.,
That's a good time.
I try to sleep at least 7 or 8 hours.
Sleep is very important.
Yes, good sleep gives you energy.
Energy means strength to do things.
Exactly.
Before sleeping, I sometimes think about my day.
Me too.
I think, what did I do today?
That is a good way to practice English.
Yes, you can talk to yourself in English.
You can say, today I woke up at 6.
I went to work.
I had lunch with my coworkers.
I came home and cooked dinner.
This is simple daily life English.
And you can practice every night.
Just 5 minutes before sleeping.
Exactly.
So today we talked about daily routine.
We started with waking up,
We talked about alarm clocks,
getting up and getting dressed,
eating breakfast,
going to work or school,
transportation like bus or car,
work activities and meetings,
lunchtime and afternoon tiredness,
going home,
evening routine and dinner,
relaxing and watching TV.
and finally preparing for bed.
This is how you talk about your day in English.
You can use these sentences every day.
Try to speak about your real life.
Use simple sentences.
For example, I wake up at 7.
I drink coffee.
I go to work by bus.
I come home at 5.
Repeat these patterns again and again.
Repetition helps you remember.
Exactly.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes, what is your daily routine?
What time do you wake up?
Do you drink coffee or tea?
How do you go to work or school?
Write your answer in the comments.
We love reading your daily life stories.
Thank you so much for listening to English in Daily Life.
Keep practicing and keep smiling.